What's up, guys? So I want to do a couple of demoldings for y'all. Mind you, this is art. I am not perfect, and I'm sure there will be bubbles and mistakes and all that other good stuff. So keep that in mind as we go along, but otherwise, let's get going. First, I have some of these self-defense keychains here. And these will still need to cure, so they're gonna be a little bit bendable right now. And I'm gonna let them, they'll be flattened back out by me, and then I'll let them cure for another 24 hours at least. Ooh, she's pretty. I'm liking that. Very, very pretty. I like how that turned out. Okay, let's do this blue one. She's a little bit more flexible. Like I said, it'll be okay. Just gonna flatten them back out. Sometimes you'll have little excess pieces like this that you'll have to clip off. That, not too big of a deal. And honestly, I probably won't clip it until it's fully cured. This one's just kind of like a plain blue, nothing too special. It was actually just leftover epoxy on that one. It wasn't a specific design I was doing. Now we're going to do this kind of like raptor claw one right here. I'm really hoping this one turned out, because I'm supposed to be making one like this for someone. It has some type of bubbles or something. I don't know. They don't really look like bubbles in person, but it's actually kind of pretty. So we'll put that one to the side. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. I'm excited to do these black ones, which I do notice that these materials that the black ones are made out of are a little bit more sturdy already than the blue. I don't know why. There's a little piece at the end right there that'll need to be fixed. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I love, love, love the black and glitter. I'm just like obsessed with it. Let's do this big baby. We're gonna pull her out. Ooh. Pop goes the weasel. And honestly, some gold flakes have apparently flew over here and messed with her, but she's pretty still. That's what we're working with. I love this holographic glitter, and honestly guys, I don't know where it actually came from, but if anybody's interested, this is what it looks like. Polyflake. So beautiful, guys. This is the big one, though. I love the hollow. Like, it just gives you such a pretty feel, you know? Like, it just makes everything feel so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see this black one. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. Love, love, love. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I'll be able to get rid of that one. I might have to keep her. Ooh, this one has some excess on her for sure. I wish I had some clippers over here so I could trim her up a bit. Took a little bit off, but it's still gonna need to be improved. See right there at the end, it's not, kind of has a extra edge to it. You can see right there, but it's okay. This is what we're working with. What up, y'all? What do y'all think? I'm not sure why that blue doesn't harden as well. Like, I used normal supplies to make it, so I don't understand why this one is so flexible compared to the others, and I truly hope that that hardens up, because I had someone hoping to get one of the blue ones. Okay, now we're gonna do this pretty baby. I haven't done a clear with flowers yet, so I'm super excited to pop her out. Oh, come on, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Ooh, she's so pretty. I could have probably used less glitter, but I still think she's very pretty. We've got kind of like a and there's gold flake in it. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, guys, so those were the self-defense keychains. I'm gonna go ahead and make a second video for the rest of for this ashtray, and then I have some planchettes. So if you want to see that video, go look for that. If you enjoyed this demolding, let me know. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, it helps out a small channel, so I appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time.